Hey everyone, welcome back to Journey with Data. If you've ever wanted to understand AI but thought I'm not an AI engineer and it is too complicated for me, then this video is for you. I have sifted through hours of courses to pick the ones that make AI simple, practical, and beginner friendly. These picks are not just top rated, but they're also loved by learners like you. So let's dive into the list of these courses. Course number 1 is Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals by IBM. This course is like the perfect intro to AI. It covers everything from machine learning to neural networks to AI ethics. And here's the best part. It explains these concepts clearly and no overwhelming maths is involved. It is great for beginners because it balances theory with practical insights. It takes about 10 hours and you also get a shareable certificate. Next up in this series is not a course but actually a YouTube video on neural networks by Andrej Karpathy. He has served as the Director of Artificial Intelligence at Tesla and also co-founded and formerly worked at OpenAI. So if you want to understand how AI really works under the hood, I'd recommend watching this masterclass video. He walks through both math and the code behind the neural networks. And this will give you a great foundation for this age of generative AI. This video is long, but trust me, it's worth every second. The next recommendation is from Coursera, Introduction to AI, Key Concepts and Applications. This course breaks down core AI and ML concepts, helps you evaluate model performance, and also helps you understand how algorithm works in different scenarios. It's great for someone who's looking to get hands-on with AI, specifically in technical roles. The next recommendation is Practical Deep Learning for Coders by fast.ai. This course won't give you much of a theory overload. It will give you hands-on knowledge of deep learning models using PyTorch, Jupyter Notebooks right from the start. So last but not the least is a collection of free self-paced tutorials by OpenAI.